good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am almost back to my old self. It's a bright and early Monday morning. I am at I'm at my dentist appointment. Tyler, he's there playing in the chair. I'm actually at my dentist appointment trying to figure out what's been going on inside of my mouth to see if it was a wisdom teeth. The pain is almost gone. I really don't know what's going on. Tyler, Ty, no, the pain is almost gone. It's an 8 o'clock appointment, and of course I'm here early. We have like about 15 minutes wait, so that's not too bad. Baby's actually here with me. He's staying with me, and then he's gonna head off to work. He's right over there.
Hi guys. Early morning, earlier than usually, but yeah.
And of course Tyler is picking up all the books in the room. You're reading Princess Charlotte. I hope I can actually get some clarity as to why am I feeling the pain and where is the pain coming from and the purpose of it all, and the swelling and all that, because the swelling is almost gone. So I don't know what was going on with it. I thought it was a wisdom teeth, but maybe I'm wrong. So let's go to this appointment and see what's going on. On another note, make sure you guys are having a wonderful day. Make sure you guys are doing what you're supposed to do. Work out, you guys. Hopefully I can get some of that in today, because I'm really not feeling too bad. So I just want to jump right back into it. Stop eating up. It's okay. Go take up the book. Get the book. Tyler just had a bad fall. Yeah, so I'll check in with you guys. I'll let you guys know what's going on after this appointment, give you the Jamaican expression and all that after. So let's go. Went to the doctor and we got back home. My results from the dentist is actually good, just like we thought. Yes, it is my wisdom teeth that is coming up and it's bothering me, but he says it's nothing. He says it's nothing to worry about. He says that I actually have space for it, so it won't be a problem. Look at my son trying to put on my glasses. You putting on mama glasses? Hey, no, this will damage your eye. Only for mama, okay? It's only for mama, sweet boy. Say hello to the fans. Say hello. Give them kisses. Hey, with your sick self, your nose need to clean. High five. Hey, good job. Good job. It's nothing to worry about. I have the space for the teeth, so that's good. And he gave me, it's okay. He prescribed some antibiotics and some pain medicine for it. Say that if it actually start paining me again, I am to take those. So he says it's nothing to pull out, it's nothing to do a surgery and all that. He says the reason why he think it was paining me is because he think I bite on it because it's swollen. So he think that's where the pain is coming from, and it had probably got irritated. So thank God I'm actually not in any pain as of last night. As of yesterday, the pain just vanishes, and I can now, after eating my salad, I can now close my mouth properly, I can now talk properly, I can now open my mouth properly and all of that. So that is good news. That is awesome. On another note, it's a beautiful day outside. It's so hot. It's just a pity that Tyler and I won't be able to go to the pool until next week when we are actually fully better. But it's been hot, it's been feeling really good, right, Ty? The Jamaican expression for today. So the Jamaican expression for today is, you want to pee pee? Go! Go! Tyler, go! Go pee pee. You guys hear he says he wants to pee pee? Go pee pee! He's laughing, he's so funny. Go pee pee! You don't want to pee pee? You're a trickster. You're a trickster. Why you saying pee pee? You don't want to pee pee? Huh? Huh? He's so funny. I'm sure you guys just hear him saying pee pee and he's here laughing at me. Don't pee on yourself though. Alright? The Jamaican expression for today, this one really hit me this morning. It goes, what a way that girl they pretty. If any Jamaican say that, they're simply saying that you're beautiful, you're a beautiful girl. So there you guys have the Jamaican expression for today. What a way that y'all are pretty. Yes. So be a pretty girl, be good, and if you can't be good, be careful.
Look, see, on, two, life, me, two, look, who, me, here, we, come, go, he, in.
You guys, Tyler is literally obsessed with the Kidloland learning app. It's just simply amazing how much it keeps him engaged and keeps him going and focused and learning all these new things. Just so adorable to see him doing. Oh, you close it. Look how much he's going to know exactly where the app is on my phone. He knows the icon. Look, touch it. Bravo! On the game. Okay guys, I'm whipping up dinner real quick for the fam bam. And I'm making stir-fried veggies for babe. This is just for babe. Over here. Yes, baby. And I'm making broccoli and sweet potatoes here for Tyler. And I am going to have this mixed salad, which is lettuce, carrot, and corns, and we're gonna have this with salmon. So that's what dinner is gonna be for tonight. Guys, dinner is ready. Sweet potato and broccoli for Tyler. This is mine, my salad, and this is babe. If you guys wonder why babe always have steamed veg and not opted for the cold salad, is because he rather his food hot when he comes home at night. Bye bye. Blood and kisses. Hey. All right, you guys, he's still a bit stuffy, but he just got freshed up and heading to bed right now. So you guys will see Tyler tomorrow. You guys, I insist on letting nothing stop in my way of working out. So your girl is heading out for a run real quick on the street. So I'm going to see how long I can get in. Hopefully I can get a good little run in, come back and do some abs. So I'll catch you guys when I get back. Actually did run I think I ran about 45 minutes, which was super good. It was good to get back and work out. You guys see how beautiful it is over the city right here? It's really beautiful. Ran about 45 minutes, which was awesome. And I came back and I did some abs, and Tyler is still sleeping, so that's good. I'm actually going to go now and get freshened up and get ready for bed.
Hi guys, hope everybody enjoyed their day. I'm back home now. I have a long day. Woke up 5:30 this morning cause I had to go to the appointment, doctor appointment. Had a very long day, and yeah, I come back as usually and just rested, and yeah, nice the end of the day. The bad thing is that it's only Monday, and you can't say okay tomorrow and Tuesday or on 2 days it's gonna be the weekend. You just have to deal, and yeah, but it's the same for everybody. Can't complain. Oh, the French expression gonna be, or the French word gonna be demain. Demain mean tomorrow. So can see like see you tomorrow. It's like à demain. So it's like if you say we see you guys demain. So yeah, that's basically the word, because we got you guys demain. Babe gonna say it with a English accent.
Demain.
Say it again.
Demain.
Demain, yeah, demain.
Demain.
You need to say
À demain.
à demain. It's like at tomorrow. See you tomorrow.
So there you guys have the French word for today, and the Jamaican expression for today was, you ready? What a way that girl the pretty.
What a way the girl so pretty. Aye.
What a way
What a way
that girl
the girl there
pretty.
pretty.
You know what that means?
And what a way that girl there pretty.
Yes.
It's like this guy, this girl is so pretty.
Right.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's like if I go to my G-stat. Yeah.
Yeah, you good. It's simply saying that she's beautiful. That's it. You guys.
Yeah, rude way to say she's beautiful.
No, it's not rude.
It's not rude.
No, it's not rude. It's
Okay.
just the expression.
If you see someone pretty in the city, what a girl.
What a way that girl is pretty.
Yeah, what a way
And if it's me, you know, I would say, what a that girl is pretty, man.
Pretty, sir.
Yes, that worked too. Alright, you guys, here you have been silly take on the Jamaican expression. I am all fresh from working out. Workout was really good. I'm happy I followed babe advice and went and run, because if it was up to me alone, I don't think I would have gone, even though I really wanted to go. And he said, babe, I think you should go. And I just went and I did like 45 minutes run. I came back and I did abs. I'm all fresh now and I'm ready to head to bed, because tomorrow morning I'll be running on the treadmill, because I want to lift weights in the afternoon. I'm on a roll, you guys. You know, when I'm at it, I'm just at it non-stopping. And now that I'm feeling a little bit better, I'm feeling strong enough, I am ready to go. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Tyler is long off to bed, you guys, like he told you guys by earlier. So hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog, and if you do, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button, and if it's your first time watching us, don't forget to subscribe, join the fam bam, catch up and keep up, and we will see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Bye guys.
Bye.